I say personality, somebody with a good smile.
Is to be you, be confident, and try not to be fake or whatever. Just be honest with yourself and everyone around you.
Determination. Loyalty.
Is nice to everyone, no matter who it is, no matter what their rank is.
Loyalty, kindness, and respect.
I think honesty and respect can take you a long way.
To me, someone who has great character is someone who is loving and caring.
Trustworthiness and being a nice person.
For someone to have a good character, you gotta have integrity, which means you gotta believe the things that you say before you say them. Good character comes from keeping your word, but not giving your word unless you know for sure it's worth keeping. The thing that I always like to say is that promises are for babies. When you're an adult, everything that you say that you're going to do carries the weight of a promise. You know, my word is my bond kind of thing. That's the main thing that I would say is important to determine the quality of someone's character.